Hi, and welcome to Berry Profits AI. This sales page shows you exactly what I've been able to do in the last 3 to 4 months with domain flipping. And it's not just domain flipping, it's about me finding a strategy on finding these deleted domains that other people didn't want, and I'm able to rebuild them using AI and my secret platform where I'm building my websites instantly by just telling it my keyword or my domain name that I want to build a site for. Also attaching my affiliate links. I'm also monetizing these sites with various tools that I'm going to be sharing you inside this 5 ways that you can actually make money with this system that I put together. It's called Berry Profits AI because we're finding gold in other people's foundations that they've started and they probably forgot, they didn't renew, mainly purchase that they've been building for many years. There's history, there's traffic, there's backlinks. Now the fact is that you can monetize that traffic with 5 different methods and more. It's just I'm covering the 5 methods that actually work for me, and it will work for you if you put the time and effort. Now let me show you a couple examples of what I'm talking about, and I'll come back and show you exactly what else you're getting inside Buried Profits AI. So let's go in. Now, we're inside my Sedo account. This is where my journey started with purchasing and finding domains that were deleted and coming into Sedo and parking them to earn some parked passive income. Basically, you park it and any clicks that you get, you start making money. But while I was going through the journey and discovering this new setup, I discovered that, okay, so I'm getting clicks from all these different traffic sources. These are not sites that are set up right now. These are just domains that I found and I purchased for $11, less than $11, and I put them on Sedo. And what I'm seeing is a lot of traffic, a lot of good traffic that is coming from these domains that I've purchased. Now, you can see that 21% is United States. Some of them are China, Singapore. These could be spammy ones, but the ones that contain the good traffic, you can actually go in and see more about this traffic, where it's coming from, the refers, who's coming. So all these are good strategies for me to go out and rebuild these sites, just like the ones that you're seeing right here. Now, these are the sites that I've built, again, using the same strategy that I'm teaching you inside domain training. And you can build these sites really quickly in less than 10 minutes using the strategies and platform that I'm using, okay? Now, these are real blogs and stuff that I've done really quickly, just putting my idea, the keyword, the niche that I want, and boom, I get everything that I need. Plus, adding my affiliate links and being able to promote things through these articles and posts that this is built for me, from images to the whole content to the links inside. But not only that, I'm also ranking them on Google, where right now for example, the salon tanning lotion is something that I've used and I'm creating, and it was part of the training as well inside the Buried AI Profits, and I'm rebuilding this so I can resell it just like I was able to with, for example, the keto side dishes that I flipped over in Flippa, because I rebuilt it, put content, and then I actually cloned this so I can resell it again, since it's something that people want. And it's a proper blog with recipes, and I'm promoting other offers through here, through different types of items that on Amazon or through the articles that you've seen. I'm also able to share these on social media platforms, and it's all built in under 10 minutes or 5, depending on what you're building, through the platform that I'm showing you. So you have no knowledge, it doesn't matter. You can build anything to promote anything, to make a passive income through maybe ads that you're placing on these sites, or to promote affiliate offers, CPA offers, e-com store offers, Amazon products, just anything that you can think of. So you see these websites that I've built, that I've been driving traffic to, that I've been monetizing, has been bringing me a new income source to the multiple income sources that I've already built. I've been purchasing and buying domains and investing in these different types of domains that I've found online using my strategies, and I'm rebuilding them really quickly and putting them online. I'm taking my time with it because in 3 months or more, I'm going to start seeing passive income coming in. If not that, there is the solution of actually selling overnight, or even rebuilding really quickly it out there so you can flip it. Or there's also you selling that domain and setting it up like you should so you can be seen faster from buyers. So I'm telling you right now, we have a system here that will make everybody a new passive income if you put right. It's not just taking that domain and putting it online. There are a couple of things that you need to be doing, and to ensure that Google is not going to lap you or you're going to be seen again, you need to follow the steps that I have inside the 10 modules inside Berry Profits AI. I put in a course that will help anybody start from beginning to end, from building a website in less than 10 minutes, using the tools that I'm showing you, and also the strategies to rebuild these sites so you can be proud to sell them for 10x and more. I'm telling you right now, this is one of the most profitable businesses you will ever get into in 2026. Get it now when the price is at the lowest, because I usually bring out the prices after the launch is over for Berry Profits AI. My name is Demetris, and I'm going to be your coach and mentor inside the training. As soon as you're inside, you're going to go through these modules, and at the end of the 10th module, you're going to be ready to go out and build and rebuild and make money and make passive income from 5 different methods that you choose. Thank you so much, and I'll talk to you in the next